Hi guys, welcome back. This video will be the last of our series on how to transform an HTML template into WordPress. In this video, I will show you how to create and output custom navigation menu. For example, this one in the footer. And I will do some code refactoring. Without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, as you can see guys, we have three columns, in the footer. We're gonna create three additional menus. So to create menus, let's go to our code editor, and from there, let's go to functions, that's PHP, and I'm gonna copy and paste this 3 times. Okay, and from there, let's put correctly the code, and this one I can call it menu. Okay, menu, and here we can say footer menu, but this will be the first column. We can say first, I mean that's been first column, and here we could say um, menu call call true. Okay, and this we can call it menu call 3. Okay, and here we can say let's copy here and footer menu second. Okay, just to let it, I mean, easy to follow. Third, footer menu third. Okay, guys, so that's it. We have successfully created, the menu. Now, let's see, we're gonna create, the menu in the WordPress dashboard before output them. I'm gonna make one example, but this will be the same for the others, okay? So from now, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and appearance, okay, menus. So we're gonna create the menu for the footer for the first column in the footer. Here, let's create menu and let's name it menu first column, okay. And as you can see, guys, you see here, if it was the second column, I would say here, and it is the first. I will choose this one and I will create the menu. And as you can see, there is no page. I will create, static button. Okay. Um, okay. So let's create some custom link. I mean, home. Okay. Add it to menu. And let's see, about and services. Okay. About. Okay. And services. Sorry. Um, services. Okay. Let's add it. And after that, let's save. So now we create a menu, and now we're gonna output um, in our code editor. We're gonna see how it works. And now let's output our custom menu. So let's go back to our footer and pay attention to this. I'm gonna comment all of these, and after that, I'm gonna open PHP tags. Okay, lowercase PHP tags. Okay, enter, and from there to create nav menu, WP underscore nav menu. Okay, this is how. So you can see it accept as parameter an array as args, but I have already this variable args. I'm gonna name it arguments. Okay, and from there, let's create arguments variable. Oh, from there, okay, let's create it. This variable will be an array. Okay, so I already told you that array can store, multiple values. Okay, so what we're gonna say, the first parameter will be team location. Okay, team location, and the team location will be and um, the name of your menu. Okay, here. Okay, and comma. So after that, you will add container. Okay, and container will be empty. Okay, and items underscore wrap, and you will add the wrapper. This will be the wrapper, and this, and okay, pay attention, and this. So in between, you will tell WordPress where to output, the list of item. Okay, this list. Okay, so um, you will add percentage $3 S. Okay, so that is to tell WordPress where to output the list of item. Okay, guys, and after that, you can add a worker. Okay, worker will be null. Okay, will be empty. Okay, so um, that's it for our args. Okay, so now let's make a test in the front end to see if everything is okay. Okay, guys, so now let's go to our site and try to reload. Okay, and now let's scroll till the bottom, and as you can see, our custom HTML menu was properly done. We successfully transformed this custom HTML menu into a WordPress menu. Okay, guys, so for this two last column, okay, we have already created, this last two footer in, I mean, in our code, okay, in our code editor. So this will be the same process. Okay, so to continue, we're gonna add, I mean, what it means. We have to create a for page in case that someone type, something in the browser and it not find the page. Okay, now find this. This page will be, oh, this page will be file. Okay, we're gonna create a page name for or for.php. Okay, and in between, you're gonna add the same thing. I mean, let's open and close PHP tags. Okay, and here you're gonna add, I mean, get header. Oh, sorry, get header and get footer. Okay, and get footer. Okay, and in between, so you can add what you want. I don't know, for example, give you an example. um H1. Okay, page not found. Okay, but you can customize this page, so I'm just only show you how to do this. So if you know a little bit of HTML and CSS, you will customize this page, and you know how to use ACF custom field, so you can customize this 404 page. Okay, so now we're gonna make some code refactoring. Now we head to our code editor to make some changes. And first of all, I'm gonna begin with the language. I mean, it was English, but I'm gonna make it automatically. I mean, what you wanna type? You wanna type language, okay? Language underscore attributes, okay? Okay, that's it. Okay, but after that, I will get rid of this. Okay, so we will let WordPress manage, I mean, the title. For that, let's go to function. Okay, and here, let's add some comment. I mean, uh, post post thumbnail support. Okay, and above it, just above it. Okay, I'm gonna add support for the title support. Okay, the title will be manageable from the WordPress dashboard. I mean, you're gonna add team underscore add team support. Okay, and what we're gonna add, okay, title dash, okay, you wanna add a title dash tag, okay. Okay, so that's it, and let's go back to main header dash php. Okay, after that, what else? Here, I'm gonna add, I mean, open and close PHP. We're gonna add body class. So body underscore class. Okay, this is here. WordPress gonna add some classes. Okay, and that's it. We're gonna continue. Okay, in the body to refactor, I mean, some of our code. Okay, now in index.php, I mean, as you can see, this is a custom loop made with ACF, and I'm gonna show you how to add, I mean, this is for SEO purpose. Okay, so we're gonna remove this and open and close PHP tags. Okay, and what you wanna do to add dynamically the title. So this is the title. Okay, so um okay, just an example, and you're gonna echo in the title. Okay, this is for SEO purpose, and I'm gonna show you in a custom loop how to add the title, for example, in the WordPress loop. Okay, let's locate the image. Okay, this is here. Okay, and okay, if it has title. Okay, I do think it has a title, but okay, it has title. Okay, guys. So here, okay, I'm gonna open and close PHP. You're gonna add the title attribute. Okay, and just remove this, remove space. Okay, and this is for SEO purpose. Okay, so now I mean, this will be, this will come automatically with any other image, okay, but not static. Okay, title for the image. If no image, um if it has a title but no image, okay, the title will be showed instead. Okay, so guys, this is it. I've showed you, how to transform an HTML template into WordPress. Wanna thank you for stay with me till the end. of this series. So we're gonna continue making new videos, and stay with us. You can invite a friend of yours, to subscribe in this channel. And as I have told you, we'll continue making videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.